These are the new coin tubes, and tonight's video is just an unboxing and a quick demo. I'm going to put them together, show you what they are. Tomorrow I'll do more of a light show demo for you at the event I'm doing. I got a wedding tomorrow. So here, have a look. We'll start off with this box right here. Opening it up. Inside we have a tube, a base, then somewhere in here we have this little guy right here. Now what this is, if you look really close, this is actually a 10-degree lens with a coupler on it. And I just found this in there too, sorry about that. This is a little aluminum cap to go on the top of the tube. This is a coin that I had, and it's got a 10-degree lens on it that I put on there. But I'm going to go ahead and take the 10-degree lens off. And the coin looks like this. So now I'm going to take this adapter here that's got a built-in 10-degree lens and put it on the coin. Just, well, one-handed, but bear with me for a moment. Like that. So we got a coin and the adapter with the 10-degree lens inside. Now if you look real close, on the bottom of this coin, there's a threaded hole right here. And if you look at this base, there's a little screw here, a little thumb screw on the bottom of it. We're going to go ahead and attach the coin to the base via this thumb screw. Pop it on like that, and tighten the thumb screw. And there we go. That's all done. Okay, I've just removed the wrapping from the tube, and it sits right into this coupler like that. Here's the top of the tube. We're going to use this little cap. Put it right there. Once you plug in your coin, you end up with something that looks like this. I think they're calling it a mini tube. You can see it's about 1 meter tall. Now I would personally like something taller than this, so I'm going to add an extension tube, which you can also pick up. So I'll take the cap off the top here. Give me a second. There we go. Here's that expansion tube. Have a look at it. It's got a coupler right here, so you can connect two tubes together. Put your expansion tube right here. Put your cap on the top. And now you've got a tube that looks like it's maybe about 6.5 feet tall. Now the coins are USB powered, so you can either plug them in to the wall with a USB cable like you would a phone to charge a phone, or you can plug them into a battery powered phone charger. It's up to you. And just like all the other Ape lights, you can use the RF Ape remote to control them, turn them on and off. We can easily just change color if we want to. We can go into a color fade mode. And of course you can also do music mode, which I'll demonstrate tomorrow night at the gig. So here's an idea how tall they are. I'm about 6 feet tall. They're taller than me. I'll put these on either side of the DJ booth, and we'll do more of a light demo tomorrow. But for now, these are the new coin tubes. I hope this video helps somebody. We'll have more for you to look at probably Sunday after I shoot the video tomorrow at my event. We'll see you then. Practice and enjoy.